Hey guys, you got to excuse me. I look like a mess right now. Waiting on my barber to get back in town to get my hair cut for one, but I'm sweating like crazy. I don't know, a lot of you all know, but for the longest I've been thinking about actually building a new greenhouse. And what I wanted to do is build the foundation out of cinder blocks. So I was sitting back calculating some of the price, but lo and behold, just now I happened to be strolling on Facebook Marketplace and see someone post up a post. They were tearing down an old gas station, and they pretty much post up a post that you can come get us all the cinder blocks you want for free, all of the 8x16 cinder blocks. So right now my truck the bed of my truck is loaded right now, but I'm going to go out there tomorrow and try to grab at least 30 more. I kind of lost count how many I was able to get today. I think I was able to at least get about 40 or 50 maybe today. Come back tomorrow and grab some more, but that is a blessing. It is a blessing, and I thank the Most High for that. That's going to cut down my costs on this greenhouse build tremendously. But stay tuned, folks.